So here we are at the ice cream lab, and all they do is make the ice cream with liquid nitrogen. And right here they have dragon breath balls things. Wow, so we're filling up liquid nitrogen in that special jar. You don't mind being in the video?
No.
Okay. I want that machine for my house. Look at that smoke.
Thank you, tornado.
Liquid nitrogen is too much fun.
It is.
Look how this pipe is so frosted. Wow. So what are those balls?
These are cereal balls.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
So much vapor. Yeah, you know I have to have extra liquid nitrogen.
Yeah. I wish you brought your dog.
Yeah. They like the mountains.
You can just stab them and then dip them in the sauce.
Okay.
Thank you.
Ooh, look at that. So we're going to do a taste test of this cereal balls, Dragon Breath. Actually, was thought it would be a good idea to put liquid nitrogen in cereal and eat it. Wow. But here, if you're in LA, it's really hard to find liquid nitrogen. Go to Little Tokyo Ice Cream Lab and you can get this Dragon Breath. Really cool. I'm gonna do a whole bunch. There is a very tingly feeling. It's really, really cold. I'm gonna get a lot again. Oh my god. Yeah, it's cold. Wow. Check this out if I blow on it. Look at this frost, it's so beautiful. Well guys, that was my first time eating cereal balls with liquid nitrogen. It's really, really cool. I would recommend Ice Cream Lab. This is the logo. Thank you for watching. I will see you next time.